Kurumirira utheremu wa uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurebia na unyui wa njohi njikirire mukana na muno makiria gatagataini ka mbeu njithi honge itiganite cia thirikari unyitaniri-ini na ikundi itari cia githirikari ikoretwo mihango-ini ya gwetha kihonia gia thina uyu. Hindi ya mucemanio wa gikundi kia abunge aria maroraga ciigi uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurebia na arugamiriri a kiama kia ugima wa mwiri thiini wa thi WHO na UNODC ni kuhithukiria ati clinic cia M.A.T ni ikoretwo na uguni munene kuona ikoretwo ikiheana dawa ya methadone na guteithiriria aria marenda gutigana na uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurebia.
Many want to go back to their normal lives, but because of the previous history of drug use, if it's looking for a job like any other normal Kenyan out there, nobody will want to employ you when they know that you are using drugs before. So there's a lot of stigma and discrimination around that.
No na thengia wa uguni uyu ikundi ici ni ihinyiriirie bata wa gutigirira kaunti ciothe 47 iri na kiriniki ici kuona kwa ihinda riri no kaunti 6 tu iri nacio.
Through you enact laws to say that establish regional rehabilitation centers, because if we do that it will be good.
We of course need partnership and resources in creating awareness. They always say that prevention is better than cure. If we can go around, talk to young people, talk to even users to come out and demonstrate that there are some safe spaces for them.
Ihinda-ini o riu gikundi kia UNODC ni kiugite kiri na mwihoko ati uhuthiri wa dawa muthemba wa heroin ni ugucoka thi kuona uthuthuria wa ica ikuhi wonanirie ati mundu umwe hari andu 17 thiini wa thi ni akoragwo akihuthira dawa cia kurebia.
This year we think that will be significantly less because the Taliban have now significantly impacted the production of opium, and it's poppies and opium that lead us to heroin. We still see heroin principally coming by sea, coming out of Pakistan and Iran, coming down towards the Swahili coast, often still in dhows.
Hamwe na uguo arugamiria kiama kia WHO guku bururi-ini ni mendekithitie kugathikwo kwa magoti ma iguru ma njohi oro undu mwe na mbaki igeria-ini ria kunyihia uhuthiri wacio na muno makiria gatagati ka mbeu njithi.
Tobacco affects you from the head to the toe. Your hair going down to your toenails and so on. It affects every part of the body, tobacco, and it will kill you very slowly. The earliest time you start seeing signs and symptoms is 15 years. Please increase taxes of tobacco and alcohol. Increase. Because if you increase, you remember I've said the industry is focusing on the youngsters to hook them. So if we increase taxes, they may not really afford.
Na niguo gutigirira bara ya kuhurana na njohi na dawa cia kurebia ni yakinyanira ikundi ici ni ciendekithitie mitaratara iria irahuthika hari kuhurana na mathina maya ikorwo igituo watho. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.